Ndaba kele kemono woma nani woma bane muna mi kpo muna mi kenye mengonoro abiazanta amam ni the video me concerning the men on the okaso on the joko the we but ndị boss say wona nya ya agwa na exaggeration sometimes ohuma na ego nwen ejoku eso mani keke okun ton nkutan wo ku concerning igbagba agbo ipo ha agbo but before bidom onwe gbo ohu agbo ohu liking my get we so njokoda bo ebon good morning wa hayi ni wa wa yi ni wa o wa yi ni wa o wa yi ni wa nne humu ni mo asaka hi ni mo ishimbu welo nne ya megoro nwopo ho unwegbe egbe amari ali ojeme obere nwa nsini mbuni muda mikpo ho ebu onwohi okwuri mebu ni like osi shonye wehe ya ko woro onye ole ishibu he ya ye woro elekwoku ndi ikpo ho wela agbatogbo or ndi omeni alurwe ndiri obodo bo wera atogbo now majority of the fault wo eka ikpo ho yes imi ikpo ho ndi agbo ya hwani wele bi elu competition maka so we lu onye ri obodo bo ngbari obodo bo weji he na ego iyu nwa enya ya baye then boyfriend wani nwo lo iyu na ya lo la gila manage onu we bi kwelu onu wa manage isi hi asozini ile ibu anya che hi owi nwe he ichoni biko owe ichoni me marriage o many canopy eju ebile ichoni me marriage o many ndi hia ndi American ndi popunti eju ebile ya zo ni shonye bu ko woro imeda message me almost some guests like pony meji any messages and some of their messages are hwani when one boyfriend iri obodebo when it on all where the problem the boy am aswebo but your money no Kenya am aswebo ogweji heni yego ihwe rie your money here so ni yo but because no ri obodebo nlagwai sister o many read that category e carry ma ike change now amam need the problem most guys in one wane ihe lecture no welongba yes ihe romaro elongba wo here ma but one thing ika gwo nwen asokpoho igbagba ika establish onwen eli iru kika ba no kan yo lo eli iru kelerere kika ba any marriage ele just say mo nwa me onwo iru okpo ha ba no kan uche hu yishi Oye pini isaka plus ega Oria most girls ejeni wole wo sorry to say this amam ni all fingers are unequal but ohu ni ejeno lewo ohu ni amu these girls so many well actually some already made life ikanye arrive ogoni ikanye make iguna ikanye ri obodebo ikanye tungolo ile kemewe enwo there were 100,000 naira made their savings. Yes, I will call them gold diggers. Onu obiaderi obiani darun eka nime onu namu ihe onu mele December ruole ya huwe ntutu ichiche we ja choso mi kenye ndi obodebo bia sister chohi karun establish onwe making your life not really useful to you first. Because o menelu ya ni useful ilu kan ya ole lo ni ye ngon ni ozoba ye ngon ni liability yo kan ahun olu nya hai o menu ndi onu ikan onu ri obodebo ekeji e nonu ego 1 month elu epomo nu onu ari o mego onu ebumo ku chogbe bi ki hai eka ni me onu hwa fi onu azuko onu hwa ro na amuko ogele cho Onu wagala hime one good morning Ella, good morning Marvelous, good morning Crown Sunday Daroni Mulemo. Iwa wanu eka nime before ye rome then ka settle down ya ika lo kenye establish onwe Mogude life onwe. Mogude hi chelu one. Onyo wule nwo purpose. Yes. Okay, maybe yasa can achieve all, but out of 10, make sure you achieve good that. Equip onwe. Eleson no gintin no. Okay, yeri obodebo. In short, who return money. Onwo no yecho no lozi ken yeri agbo. Onu roni indi le chani jobodebo kwego. Onu roni kai le chani jobodebo riego. Njo say picture ya the only thing we want picture. One on who picture a pose well like this. Orioni. Meanwhile, potential men in Riagbe Bahola struggle where Gero Homa. Where Gero Homa. But on actually no settle anywhere. Because a genuine bodebo. Because I'm aware so men. Because I'm aware so I'm gonna. Dodoni. Cherareni. Change any pattern or no. This message will change. Cherari, Beuto, Bidozi, because anu le bi ekekpe. Dodo, omo kanyeri agbe ba hon. Where in Nigeria self, nebi agudo kwabo, where we be ohoma. Where gina hi kayendiri obodebo, sorry to say. Where kasaka zuin, asaka jijayo obodebo. Ijo obodebo yeje na charge phone, ya loha. But mba, enyo no ariale, enyo no rielu. Enyo no ri Europe. Enyo no ri America. Enyo no ri abroad. Sister Lenya, that same money la chesi boka ya honchuku yegu. Lenya around you ohua. But enya ya ariale. Ihe hu ichoko Sokoto ohuya ho. Ihe hu ichoko Sokoto ohua around you. But ekperi greed. Eka ni me eni kono weekend chozogu. Mba, onu feke slay queens. Slay ya wole nishi. Slay queen ni wole wo imekpa. Ye nwo we po de ngoku 100,000. Yasa kaza. Yama hie me igbagba. Yama hie me babe. Yama hie me slay queen. Ni ye nwo. Ye nwe korun. No ka ye we heni ni time ni sakari ni. O ka ye we heni ni time ni sakaku dem. But ya hundia how many eka ni me who dance we kan ngo o kan we ye ni we go tan egbebu we hundia how many ebu of their frustration che ndiri obodebo ishi. Now almost some sisters so many we ku they should leave Europe men alone. Sister ndiri Europe, I have a word for you. Ekpeleni. But the truth, Amarano, the one who get treat our boys obodebo ahun oroma. And ya who some videos we post on social medias. On chu we yogbe omo we home or the woman I just see a video just lo that pakale yoro akpon the police need the man that kubwe we ask the man alokomene omene le huchuku yeka the man who video the tin le meni nka wa bia e kwani wa bam o shenga e kori omoma bi wutoni dodoni omena na acho ni di ono abia Nigeria dey deceive nwe carry ale treating by your home ye ishikoko. Yes, amani no bodebo because on right ipo home right anya zozi ku egizwen anya zozi ni we butu no kan ya ishi eleti butu ishi no kan ezo yoko but to a limit be submissive. Omeni ya loro kan yasaka bu ishi tu na ale oku ya noko sister o yari ni ready longba dodo ikanyeri Europe love anywhere weri ni weleke won no eleson no treat we on acho no we bu onu bu we choku make up market all no so that is le na complaining see they have wife and children they have wife and children here iwe treat we homa ona le anyway obi wa lo ale yan ha we ga biada 87 we kan we bele we kan ye chane we obi do eye we will be the giwe jiji we obi aso so before ya marry ekume we putare before ya marry amani si we here we me eje we da ko dare we lo hanka ho ne gi jazz ko de we wanya hazin de we butebe. Back to the message. Dodo ipo honja agbo shoni herun ihu okanyere ehun swe ihe soe ihe you wana aswa si no to ne oloi sister butu shiale werie ndagbo se luri hiu ya ka hori azu elele luso kiken elele moto kan ya hu won wa kiken elele ola hu otunto kiken ekifo ni level e change ya kwa mamani dodo kan la ari onu eyan ri pe o dodo kan la ari onu ele yan le chan ri obodebo ele yan le chan mo se lo kan ri obodebo oyan wo le ni shobu we ko wo onu anu wa orun wa especially this period here chon kwa dipo ya ho wa this period ere wa this COVID-19 horiale before they do this CSF and nim show ni here can normalizing so ezigbe egun jokoda agun onu nje eka mi me ikanyeri abroad ahoko we ojire no no because here ni affect e bi le charin o many ihu ahun ego ke talk since ihu ahun ego yasine ka dome yasine ka bidafia yasine ka morun anti ezigbegun da agun this is the beginning of hunger ezigbegun yakagun kiken o many ye won wuche kiken ege kere ri onu eka jeda morun chohi keme ba no nwe yerere ba no nwe iru ba ni nne yerere ba ni ledi yerere onu wa no because ele 40 le chani hu kiken owonu se fokan ye biale no America bia or Europe bia or obodebo bia onu buru picture jenko gbebulu onu acha ye yenya yes most of you guys onu de kono seri yon la ho onu acha ye yenya okenye nwa lamagonwa ihe nwe fenya okpomo nu ogba ito ya hozi ni niri ogbebula sine ka hozi uwa gbatumbu ataya ye yishi dodo ken lari onu cherare ni that potential young man in la chokai lorwa nwayo ya wi jijuwa oro ni matan ekileta no rokota ma azole ni elurihu ni yaka oriazu oku ni choni addresses on some of my brothers abiada ayem message edeheni message say ni choni nkume say ndi agbo ni suppose say ndeka brother sister nsi ndi agbo enyi le chani ki wonyi gbaki o ki wonyo lije o ki wonye kuku o ki wonye agbobi o ki wonyi dumesa o enyi le chani wo agbo eka wa susu enyo so many see ndi agbo o enyi le chani wo hu ndi abia mbuche post abia weda pom yi iwonye kepe imehun elemonye kepe it turn your camera like this since it's on selfie mode okawo say ni left hand hunu wa my right hand hunu wa kepe but ndi wa hunu ku ohu alekese ki niro but in as much as sinelem onye kepe amomu wa onye kepe e discriminate ni here elesini onye wule neke chukwu kike onye wonye kepe elesini onye ahwe bikelu elesi onye ahwe agakọ ihu dodo ni accepting ndi ya kono ge howe ya no dodo sister ndi agbo di nu uche bi o don't wait inugojin ye gbe utoni ye bishisi neka ni ye bishisi ekepe ihe hu ye gishiburu igbake o ka igbake ka wele enyi le chare enyi le wo ohu daruno brothers ndi le wi wo one day se ne we home no we ka ni video home na ne we ka jagu ejoku kenku sometimes enya do when you do enya mani na hiri po heke buka na mani ni po he buku meke we because most of the reason no many ono bia dey me here ni self onu jada loro won yo many also no then ida has agbo ya hu ipo ho shaprapa ndi na ipo ho ndi na abaye nya ndi blink ono so no da ko gbo e wi sho na ebuzi we che one chance na ewe ni nwa yo enyi le wo hu we so zo hia aga anyo nsiye ba ha anyo ejensiye ba ho so na gini trebi so na treat onwenyi with love aho ka mo no nya o enyi le wo hu o mena lo no Amanda de Kabe Baraka thank you so much on who share my video on who I like ya ndi la comment akubu mwe ho a ndi se na Amanda asuzilebo ya ho a oku igbuche ebo na kere ekpele ni o enwon followers o many ele de wendeka Ndi Yoruba hua, Ndi Du hua, Ndi Rivers hua. Different people listen with my friends normally on Facebook where we saying. We on this program. So once in a while, I'm putting away because in a while no abo. Once in a while, and 2 years ago, also was in a Buddhism wele along. That don't know, not the no home. I still remain your sister, Amanda De Kabe. Ndia Johnny, are you married? Yes, I am happily married with 3 wonderful kids. You know, Arema Chongba, I am okay. That don't know. Till I come your way again. Remain blessed.